Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just wanted to share a review I've made of a book called Deep Learning with Python by Francois Chollet. So before we get into this review, I just want to mention this is the first edition copy. There's a second edition copy out which has an additional one or two chapters, I believe, with more coding examples and more up-to-date information. So before we get into the review of this book, I just want to discuss about the author Francois Chollet. So Francois Chollet is a French software engineer and AI researcher who at the time of this video is currently working for Google. And what he did was he created this open source library for Python called Keras. So his goal in creating Keras was to make artificial intelligence and deep learning more accessible for developers who wanted to get into artificial intelligence. So this is a library that kind of allows quick and easy development of AI models. So what does this book cover? I will just open the book here. It's broken up into two parts, so I'm not sure if you can read this here. I'll just read it off. So the first part, part one, is the fundamentals of deep learning. So this covers what is deep learning, the mathematical building blocks of neural networks, getting started with neural networks, and fundamentals of machine learning. Then part two covers deep learning in practice. So this covers deep learning for computer vision, deep learning for text and sequences, advanced deep learning best practices, generative deep learning, and conclusions. I really enjoyed the conclusion section of this book, by the way. So Francois Chollet kind of goes into his view of AI for the future and offers his prognosis of where the field is heading. So that was very interesting to hear about, because he basically theorized of massive online repositories where you could just download and train like any model you wanted. Like there'd be a whole collection of models that you could just download and repurpose, which was very interesting to hear about. And I don't want to spoil too much of that. I'll let you read it yourself. So what did I enjoy about this book? I really enjoyed the code examples and the diagrams. He really breaks down complex and convoluted topics in a way that are that they're made easily understandable, especially to me. I just found it very easy to understand what he was talking about a lot of the time. And these are very complex topics. Like if they were written in any other way, I don't think I'd be able to get my head around them. He has a way of just kind of breaking them down into their basic components and making them easily understandable to even the layman, I would imagine. And I just kind of wanted to just say, if you have an interest in AI or deep learning, then this is definitely a great book to get started with. It offers a lot of content. It really goes into in detail explanations of a large variety of topics in AI. Everything to kind of get you started, which is definitely what I needed when doing the masters. There were a lot of concepts in the book that I hadn't encountered before, so those were actually useful to learn about and to implement when doing my practical project. Another book that I wanted to suggest if you are interested in AI is this one here, the 100-page machine learning book. Now, I think this is available for free. There are probably places that you can get it for free. I think the author wrote in it, when I was reading it, that it was kind of on a read first, buy later principle. So that was actually a very, very nice benefit of this book. So I bought it for around €20. I found it very, very useful. And just to preface, it's kind of over 100 pages. It's 136 pages, I believe. And obviously you can't really cover the entire field of machine learning or artificial intelligence in 136 pages, but it is a great starting point to get started with. So that was my review. and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you, if you do, you'll give it a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to be doing more of these book reviews, and probably get back into doing more code and showcasing different projects I've been making. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you visit my channel again.